Yo, check this out. This is Wayne Wonder, representing for Warieka LTV. You see the vision, don't it? See the vision. Warieka LTV. Keep it locked.
No, I'm gonna tell you. We, us as bloggers, these are the issues that we need to address. You understand what I said? You see? Set the path for the youth. Share, like, and subscribe and stay tuned to the channel. I don't know all this shit. Yes, greetings once again in the mighty name of His Imperial Majesty Emperor Haile Selassie I first. You know, see it. Welcome all viewers and subscribers. See, viewers, if you like the content, subscribe. And look where I go to the channel. Remember, subscription is only free for a few more days. So, you know, take it while it's free. Yeah, man. So, while we're at it, you know, and we are big up some of the female them out of our existence, we are making who we is today, you know. Today we have to big up the Clasique Posse from out of Rockfort. You know, see it? Yeah. Now when I grow star, and I get to a certain age where you start admire a woman now, you know, when you start see a woman now, you know, certain way. Yeah. Classique Posse. Me tell you say, it coming like it's a joy just for walk past them presence and observe them as a youth. You know, you're not and nothing like you get them or you can't get them or nothing. But you look on them as, you know, yeah. Like, yeah. Ample representation like top of the class in the ghetto. You know, see it like some uptown girl in the ghetto. I saw the girl them used to program. Clean every day and them have on them gold chain and them gold ring them and clean, sweet, beautiful princess them. I can't remember makeup of such. But I know a whole lot of that usually go on and hairstyle and, you know. And when them go dance and them thing there, them go represent Rockfort to the top, to the, you know, I say the apex of the game. You know, see it. I don't really know about nowhere else, because I tell you about youth days when me nah gone away. You know, see it. You know, see it, so I know what I go on in a Rockfort Rasta. You know, see it, Jabby. Yeah, you see them girl there. Them girl there usually, I know. I don't know about no other man who go on and other used to go on. Although obviously I'm supposed to say, man, like we objectify them or I say put them as sex subject of such, cause and I like say because them clean and sharp, sexy, like model. And I like say that are the reason why we are talking about them today. Because again, them maintain a certain aura, a certain level of humility and a sense of awareness. Aware of them, you know, female gender, them aware of them gender, seen and them protective of them gender and them character. You know, see. Anyway, now I think the girl where they dead down at Miss Ellis had in the story I'm telling about man where I killed girl at Rockfort from back in the days. Seeing Miss Ellis' daughter now was one of them. She was a par with them too. Seeing, can't remember her name. You know, see it. You know, see it. Now, after Richie Poe and John them go back to kill Miss Ellis and her other daughter who was meant to be a witness on the case. You can go back and watch the previous video I do a few days ago about Rockfort woman killing and things like that. Woman killers from Rockfort. Jesse City, woman killers, yeah. See, yeah, you will get a a fullness of what go on with the killing there. You know, see it. So Tete did go kill Miss Ellis' daughter, Miss Ellis see Miss Ellis got station and go report it. Now she becomes a witness. Scene. Tete get bite and they are prison because nobody ever really rate what Tete do as such, you know. So anyway, long story short, Tete get bite and go to prison. Richie Poe and John them go back go kill the lady. You know, see it, and her daughter. See? Now there is a crew. Like there is a woman them cause one big crew, you know, enough girl. You know, see it. The man them start move to them too. Start send threat after them and them way there. And I think at the same day, when the girl dead, the rest of them have to cut, you know, take away themselves from Rockfort and gone all about, gone live. You know, see it, man, them mash up a crew star where, may I tell you, say, you know, when I say, yeah, them run where a fixture, a vital fixture in the community of Rockfort. You know, see it, I'm not telling you, like, cause, yeah, them wasn't orthodox whereby everybody aspire them daughter to be like them, but you know, cause in them time the ambition of the key and people are push them pin figure high school, pass common entrance and come try make something out of yourself and wait. You know, see, them girls was a bit before all of that. You see, however, them girls, you know, manifest a level of independence creatively. You know, see it where make them stand out almost like entertainers. If you catch my drift. You know, see it, but it's like, so well then, when them go dance, so yeah, DJ on the mic, I big them up. Big up the Clasique Posse in the house and thing. I want to tell you, Clasique Posse, I come from a Posse before that name, the Ants Posse. You know, see, Ants Posse them now was some older girls. Like, but them, all of them would morph and come to one. You know, see it, and Clasique, and it name, and now name, the Clasique Posse, or Ants Posse, and Clasique Posse join up together and becomes one Clasique Posse. Yeah. You used to have little Sandra, you used to have big Sandra. See, big up yourself, Sandra. You used to have Marvia and Pat. Seeing after them Richie Poo, them dead and them thing, then most of them it kind of come back and they about the place. Some of them never really they come back, but them come close by and still, but them used to function within the circumference of thing, little by little. Still, it's in a seed. In the end, some little issue it go on again where some little burning up thing it go on. You know, R.I.P. Shannon. Seeing? Like one of the half shoot of the later days. You know, see? But the thing about the Clasique Posse now, them usually have them respect, man. And anybody used to walk up on them or step to them or act like, so well then, them a walk over and a get away can hold in them head and draw away and all of them things there. You know, see? Them usually have them status. You know, see it, and when them go out the road, them hold it up and maintain it. We're not talking about war and disrespect. We're talking about a certain level of independence and character. You know, see it. Yeah, you have the ad. I tell you about from ghetto standards, ghetto standpoint. You know, I don't want no one that they read it like some uptown independent what you call it, hearers. We are talking about, we're not talking about the hearers and that type of people. We still talking about people who are struggle. Same way, we probably are worried how them are going to dress next week or where them are going to eat or them think the same way. They think they're still in the back of their mind somewhat, but it's not a case like so well then that I hold them back. You know, see it like I said, them are, with them progress, a lesson them concerned anyway, but still, you know me I say, and I like so well then, I don't know, rich, you know, people, ghetto people, children, them we are talking about, we go out there and crack earth and get them respect in the world, in the social world, domestically, you know, see it where them go dance, or people keep dance, people look out for them and invite them and try, you know me, people use them as dance prop and them way. Yo, Clasique, Posse, I got dead. See? And they used to have an ex-Posse at West too, you know. An ex-woman Posse from West. I can't remember where the Posse the name in my mind. I so remember it too. But you see them big up the Posse there too. And use the Posse as props too. You know, like such and such. What them name again, man? I don't think a jump fence, because jump fence was I think jump fence was a man crew where you used to walk and jump people dance fence. You know, see, but Clasique, Posse and the two are the biggest Posse them from Kingston, but you know, and when I say Posse, I mean girls, be sexy, pretty woman. You know, see it, because you can't tell a woman say she's sexy and she's pretty and them thing there. You know, if you look at me, I think you have to look at her. She's in your family. You know, see, yeah, I just say go, you know, if you look at her, or, you know, objectify her somewhat for tell her that. I don't think so. You know, see. So, yeah, as a youth, you used to admire them and, yeah, them clean and, yeah, them used to attract certain little attention, you know, like certain man, certain high entertainment, entertainer and, so, you know, used to come around and, yeah. You know, see it. Enough respect to the Clasique Posse, you know, all out the way about the place, same way, you know, wherever on the one there, you know, mama. You know, see it. Gonna give you a joy when we grew up as a youth. You know, see it. Enough people to realize that again. You know, shine a light on Rockfort, like when it was some entertainer too. You know, see it, yeah. When nobody not talk about, when you not hear about, we call him, my youth, yeah, Poly Roots. Seeing, you hear about the Clasique Posse. Seeing Clasique Posse, they dead, you know, too. And, yeah, you know, see it, yeah. None of them never rich. You know, see it, yeah, Clasique Posse was a crew where, and I want to tell you, it's like at the most, one of the only unified social group ever. Well, they did have a little dance group named Squad One where they come along after. You know, see it, even though it's like a different, you know, kind of, they're more entertainer, but, you know, it's just a social group that the Clasique Posse was, you know, to put it, you know, yeah, yeah, and them did impact Kingston, you know, see it to a great degree where like I say, you used to hear them name. I not talk about, well, you could hear Barry G and them man that talk about them time after time in a film career program, but it's not like some of them have met the news somewhat as, you know, like how the ouch them used to. I want to tell you, them, give the ouch girl them for them purpose as well, because if them as women never step out and you know what I say, sure so them can unify as a group of women independently and go out. Yeah, them have them man and them might go out and a man look them and thing like that same way, but independently when them a step as a group of girl. You know, see, I can't give full details of how them used to profile, like how them save money, how them make up money, how them make money and thing like that. You know, see, that's a different subject for them, for one of them. You know, see, but the fact is, the step where they make and the triumph where they make and the recognition where them get as women for the time, for the age, for the day when them a do it. Can you say a gunman step to them? You know, see, because you can't juke one of them if them don't want you, you know. But I feel like some gunman can go, any man can go wall them and bad. Nah, I want to tell you, enough of them usually there with at step or two. Back in a, you know, before that, enough of them have them at step of brother and family. So I like say them girl there was something could walk over when any man can just go eat that. You know, see it. So yeah, them was, yeah, you know, see it. And cool representation of East Kingston, Rockfort. You know, see it. Another lady we want to tell you about, she take a whole page for herself. It's Mother Dear Dana. You know, see, I think she never in no Posse of such. You know, see, but Mother Dear Dana now was a single woman, like a like a war tanker if she get plugged in, you know want plug she in. No, not even a man, no gunman neither no want plug in she. It's like, no, it not done. You want to call police and you trouble. Without makes you distract. To the cafe, I think different. You see, yeah. But the Clasique Posse, enough respect for the step them where the eye them make and thing like that and the impression where the eye them create. I never everybody cup of tea. See, don't get twisted, and I never everybody cup of tea. And I now try push them as everybody cup of tea. Like me say, everybody did have them different standards and expectation back in the day. Like, and them woman there was some revolutionary type of thing because I be a man posse. Me used to know about and hear about the man them usually see it and why find a woman them make them way and go dance and thing like that and go hang out and rotate and play and a man draw for them and lay and play. But I just that like the woman them usually just be individual. See it now them woman here organized like a posse and call themselves such and such. See it. So enough respect. Manners and respect. See it. Yeah, Sandra Clasique. Sandra Clasique, Sandra. Marvia Clasique. Pat Clasique. Big up on yourself, man. Enough love. And honors and respect, Cause right now, me I smile, me I look pound, stand up a coffee yard there, so. Them time there, can't remember who did have the shop there, so, see, but the shop there was a thriving shop again right across the road from Coffee Yard. Can't remember the shop they never come out and I always remember the them people there, but yeah, I saw it go. See it, yeah, the lady them used to stand up off there so clean and nice morning and evening. Not like, but clean. And you don't know how crew and how massive and all the thing go. See, Jano ladies, big up on yourself. Right now, they just make some butterfly flip round in my heart and remember always. See it. Yeah, man. Share, like, and subscribe. See it. Rastafari, Blessed love.